Welcome guys back to another video. In this lesson we're going over 2.6, which is over colors. So this is a lesson practice quiz, so let's begin. There are 3 questions. So question 1 is color codes are restored as, and they're stored as strings. Question 2, which of the following is not an acceptable way to create a color? And it is just by typing in blue. And what color is 255, 0 to 55? So parentheses is RGB, which stands for red, green, blue. And when you mix all of the red and blue, it would create like a purple color, so it would be fuchsia. So let's move on. Okay, so now to the coding practice, which is all that matters, to be honest. So it asks, copy and paste the following code into code sculpture and work through the exercises. As you can see, we import 2 modules, which is simple guide, which really means simple guide, and as you can see, we also import random, which it's used to randomize stuff. Okay, so there's 3 questions, and they ask copy and paste the code into. Oh, okay, that doesn't matter. So it says then determine how you can change the code so that the frame flashes greens and blues and no reds. So it would be r equals r rand int and parentheses 00, because okay, so as you can see, it's r equals random int 020. So r stands for red, and since it's 0 to 0, that means the only possible number it can be is 0, and when it's 0, it's nothing, so there would be no reds. So on to question number 2. Determine how you can change the code so that the frame flashes different grays with no color. So this would be the answer, because since you put the hashes or hashtags in front of green and blue, red would be the only possible color. So that means the rest of them would be, they wouldn't be accounted for. So that would make a gray. That would make different grays, since the rest of the colors would be 0 basically. You can change the code so that the frame flashes shades of gray with no greens or blues. So the answer is here. Replace the rand RGB color line with RGB parentheses quotation marks plus string R, and the reason this works is because 0 stands, well, as you can see, you would only print R, which is red, and the green and blue would just be 0, so they wouldn't be accounted for. So yeah guys, this has been the entire video. In our next video we're gonna go over big data, so make sure to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.